Before I begin with my talk, I would also like to give my compliments to Stephen Cross. In fact, I probably wouldn't be here if it were not for his own invitation to me at one stage and very much kindly inviting me. So I actually dedicate this talk to Stephen Cross. I personally feel that there are wonderful scriptures and the teachings of the sages we can find everywhere. But none of this can really have any significant effect on our life until we actually ask, how does this apply to me? Whatever we read, there are wonderful things said by the Buddha or by Christ, but how do I relate with this? So keep that background in mind, and let me therefore begin by first of all saying just one simple fact. For me, if I can keep coming back to this, it actually has an enormous effect on my life. But you don't need to buy this simply, and the simple fact is this, that I did not create myself. Hardly anybody else would disagree with this about themselves. If I can keep returning to this simple fact, it cannot not change one's life. So let me repeat this again. I did not create myself. Then naturally the question arises. In this very vast universe with billions of galaxies, and then in the face of the remark of practically all the sages in the history of humanity, that the entire space is pervaded by conscious and subtle energies. Why have they bothered to create me for a few decades at this time on this planet, in this body? Because I hardly created myself. I would not even know how to create my nails. When people imagine that I am an intelligent man, most of you are probably far more intelligent, but would you know how to create your own breathing apparatus? We say I am breathing, which is entirely a wrong statement. Could I decide to breathe? I am being breathed. We have this classical expression in the book Genesis. God created human beings from the earth, then he breathed his own breath into them to make them alive. Obviously, the implication is that as long as I'm alive, it's the breath of God in me which is keeping me alive. But then one can also wonder why. Why is it keeping me alive? Now, in this context, let me first of all say two or three general ideas which are, as far as I know, are common to all spiritual teachings. One of them is that the entire universe and every creature in it comes from the highest level of consciousness, variously labeled Brahma or God, Holy Spirit, or simply the Absolute, or sometimes simply that, because it's difficult to label it. So whatever label appeals to you, but the suggestion is that it is the highest level of consciousness from which everything is either created or it emerges. There are variations in the traditions, but this is nevertheless a common feature. And then that all creatures are, everything is at different level of materiality. Therefore, correspondingly different levels of consciousness. Then a very universal idea that every level of reality is wishing to evolve. The word evolution there is understood in terms of acquiring more awareness, more consciousness, as it were, returning to the source. We have this rather interesting remark of St. Augustine several centuries ago. We are sojourners here below. Our real city is the city of God, the city to come. Every level is wishing to evolve, to return home, if you like, to return to the source. But in order to evolve, at whatever level of consciousness and therefore corresponding materiality the element is, it needs to undertake some action. Because of this classical idea, here I am more or less quoting Ishwar Krishna, the putative author of Sankhyakarika, that the spirit without the body is lame, but the body without the spirit is blind. I'm using the word body here, but it includes what we ordinarily call mind. Just a quick reminder, for example, we have in the Gospel of John, the Word became flesh. There is no suggestion that it became just a hunk of meat. Obviously, it became a living creature, living human being, including mind and emotional factors. So the word body gets used just for simplicity, or the word flesh could be used, but it includes the whole living organism. So then the suggestion is, what follows from that this particle of divinity or the breath of God or whatever level of consciousness needs a body for its purposes so that it can evolve. The implication of that is that the soul needs a body. It's not that the body has somehow acquired a soul. We need to be very clear about it, which is the reason why all religious teachings say in one way or the other that the death of the body is not the death of the person. The implication being that the person is somehow other than the body. Whether, as I said again and again, that we can hear or read all of these wonderful remarks from the sages or from the scriptures, but we always need to ask, how does it actually apply to me? Do I have a soul? What is it saying? How does it manifest? What does it require my body-mind to do? Why has it taken on this body-mind? Here I would like to make another general remark, a distinction between two words, soul and spirit. Descartes somehow created such an enormous amount of confusion by just mixing these two words as if they are exactly the same, and it becomes very difficult these days to sort of distinguish them. But for example, in the New Testament, there are clearly two different words which are used, pneuma and psyche, or psyche, we might say in English. One is translated as spirit, the other as soul. And as a generalization, as a comment I may make, soul is personal. Your soul is different from my soul. Spirit is transpersonal. So the soul is, if you like, an element or a fragment of the spirit which is trying to evolve so that it can come to the level of the spirit. As I said, every spiritual element throughout the whole creation is trying to evolve, to return higher. So these are sort of general background things. Why would one bother about transformation, which is really the topic here? Because if there is one single lesson that at least I find in all the scriptures, all the teachings of all the sages, it is this, that as long as I remain the way I am, I cannot come to the truth or to God or to the real, whatever other expression you wish to use. Because a radical transformation is recommended by all the sages. Why? For the simple reason that otherwise I am identifying myself with my body and mind, and all my desires and fears are driven by that. all my life is therefore led by that. It's a very simple illustration. I'm sure everybody here knows that in the Buddhist terminology, the devil is called Mara, and Mara undertakes to the Buddha to be. He's not yet the Buddha, but he undertakes to deviate him from the true path, which is actually true in the history of any of the sages. Christ was also tempted by the devil, or anybody who has ever bothered to describe their journey. Until we are certified by the devil, we cannot come to God. So therefore it's a good idea, first of all, not to be against the devil, because he'll fail us. One needs to be very friendly with the devil. So what is it that Mara, what does he use to deviate the Buddha to be from the path? Because we should easily assume that the devil is not dumb. He's using exactly the sort of things which apply to every human being. The Buddha is also a human being, just like us. So, bodily pleasures and comforts. So he sends his own daughters to seduce him. In fact, in the Buddhist tradition, there is many of these things, by the way, one can't ever be sure they are historically true, because people like the Buddha or the Christ get mythologized in a culture. But it doesn't matter. That is what the culture regards as the sort of a highest kind of person. So it is said in the Buddhist tradition, or it is attributed to the Buddha, that if there was one other force as strong as sex, he's not sure he would have made it. So even he felt that this was a very strong force. It's after all a cosmological force. You and I won't exist here without that. So one should not feel that it is so easily conquered by anybody. But then that does not succeed. So then Mara says, I will turn this mountain into a mountain of gold. I don't know about you. I'm sure in my own case, just £1 million will do. But as I said earlier also, please apply everything that is said by anybody. If it speaks to you, how does it actually apply to me? Otherwise, it's all very fancy. Christ has said wonderful things. The Buddha has said wonderful things. Krishna has said wonderful things. So we can keep quoting them or try to convert other people to this. But how does it apply to me? So, am I free of this? Then the third thing the Mara tries is that I will give you sovereignty over the whole world. Power, wealth, pleasure. Generally speaking, the word that gets used is desires. But then the other side of it, deprivation from the desires or fear. Mara sends his armies to try to kill him. Ultimately, the fear of death seems to be the major fear for everybody. So, I say that the reason why all the traditions or all the scriptures and the teachers say that until I am radically transformed, there is no possibility of me coming to the truth, because in general, these are the desires and fears are the ones which are driving the whole world, which is why, for example, this is actually a remark of Christ in one of the Gospels, that the whole world is in the sway of the prince of darkness. We don't need to be very dramatic about this. We can look at 4 or 5 major leaders right now in the world. At least half the population of the world is in India, China, USA, Russia, Britain put together. It will be more than half the population of the world. I don't need to name the leaders in these 5 countries. They are running the world. And if one really imagines that this is being run from any kind of spiritual integrity or wisdom, we'll just have to look at the news again, if that is your conviction. So, the remark of Christ that the whole world is in the sway of the prince of darkness, in fact, should not be so easily dismissed. Which is why sometimes These are sometimes more or less extreme statements, but one of the letters, this is the letter of James in the New Testament, he who loves the world is verily an enemy of the Lord. I think this is rather an extreme situation because in a way we also need to love the world in order to be able to assist it. But one can see why some of these kinds of statements arise if one realizes what are the forces running the world. So then the suggestion is that because in general my own identity becomes usually this body-mind, which is meant to be the instrument for the evolution of this particle of divinity, what we call the soul. I'm just using this word. Not every tradition uses exactly the same words. But as a generalization, that this is meant to be, whether it's the breath of God or a particle of divinity, or Krishna himself says it's a particle of himself, which takes on all the senses. So then the requirement for transformation, in fact, really basically arises from this. First of all, a whole shift of my identity. What am I identified with? Am I the instrument for the evolution of this particle of divinity? Or am I that everything is to serve this so-called body-mind? Which is what Mara or everybody else actually tests us with to begin with. If the word Mara seems too traditional, if you are more interested in contemporary psychological sort of usages, so that'll be the shadow side of our being. But until we can face it, overcome it, there is no possibility of coming to any kind of wisdom or light. Therefore, this suggestion for a radical transformation gets expressed in varieties of ways. I will take 2 or 3 examples, just merely to illustrate the way it gets expressed. One is that this is actually a remark of Christ in the Gospel of Matthew. Unless you leave yourself behind, you cannot be a follower of mine. Because our conditioned self is the worldly self with which we are identified, with which we are occupied, and very much the suggestion that that is the self that needs to be left behind. By the way, I will come back to this idea again. To leave it behind doesn't mean that we need to be against it. It's more a question of, am I actually in fact using this as an instrument? I don't need to be against the instrument. So leaving behind needs to be understood in a certain context. But that is an explicit remark of Christ. Unless you leave yourself behind, you cannot be a follower of mine. The same idea is expressed sometimes much more stridently by saying, unless you die to yourself, unless you die to the world. Varieties of ways of saying this. Or another way it is expressed is very old text in India, Shatapath Brahman. I'm more or less quoting it from that. Namely, when a person comes to the sun door, he will hear, who is it? If the answer is anything other than nobody, he may not enter. So the call very much is to become a nobody, which is easier said than done. But literally, by the way, this is what the word Tathagat means, which is the reference. The Buddha is often called Tathagat, which simply means thus come and thus gone, without leaving a trace. That's the idea behind this. Becoming a nobody. It's easier said than done. This is the reason I am saying again and again, we have all these classical teachings always requiring such a radical transformation that it is called like being born again. This is the expression of Christ, as you probably all know here. Nicodemus, who is a member of the Jewish council, which is actually the one which ultimately condemned him to be crucified, that was a majority decision. Not everybody on that council voted for this. In fact, after the death of Christ, his disciples were not even around to take care of the body. There were 2 members of the Jewish council which took care of the body, including Nicodemus and the Joseph of Arimathea. They were the one taking care of the body. So the whole council was not against Christ, but by majority vote he was crucified. So the reason I am mentioning this, because there was a general suspicion in the council whether Christ is bringing havoc or revolution and should be controlled. So for Nicodemus to go to ask him for spiritual advice is almost like a cardinal in the Vatican going to the Dalai Lama for spiritual advice. So he has to sneak out in the middle of the night, which is exactly what he does. So the very first thing he asks, how may I enter the kingdom of heaven? And this is where we get this expression of Christ, that such a radical transformation is required that you have to be born again, born of the Spirit, born from above. This is the full expression. People often stop at being born again, but it's born of the Spirit. A very fundamental idea in every teaching that naturally we are all born of the flesh, but that a second birth is required, which is being born of the Spirit. And until that second birth takes place, which requires a very radical transformation, that there is no possibility of us entering the heaven or the kingdom of God. So this notion is, I can give you parallel examples from Hindu tradition or the Buddhist tradition, but more or less looking at people here, thinking most of you have a Judeo-Christian background, so I'm intentionally giving references from there, more references from there. So the suggestion that a radical transformation is needed, and of course, one sometimes takes, even Nicodemus, by the way, literally means in Greek, ruler of men, and he's member of the council, so obviously he's educated, intelligent man, but even he takes it literally and actually asks, how can an old man like me re-enter the womb of his mother to be born again? You see, this notion of taking things literally is very common. For example, I sometimes am very surprised, our very sensitive, intelligent scientists wonder, well, if there is soul, how much does it weigh? What does it look like? Which is exactly taking it so literally, just like Nicodemus says, how can I be born again and re-enter the womb of my mother? So then the question arises, what is the journey of transformation? First of all, I should remind you that not everybody is even struck by this kind of inquiry or question that why do I exist? But it is true, throughout human history, in every culture, there have been some people, always very few, let me keep reminding you, extremely few people who are in fact troubled by questions like this. And then an occasional person comes to some clear realization based on their own experience. Then the neighboring people find it so extraordinary or so unusual that it can't be just an ordinary human being. He must be half God, half man, or son of God, or incarnation of God. These are the varieties of expressions naturally get used simply because it is so uncommon for somebody to undergo such a completely radical transformation and to really come to absolutely remarkable truth of existence. And then, of course, the tendency is very common that we put them on a shrine, elevate them, and just begin to worship them so that we don't actually have to follow the practice of what they are teaching. At least in my own judgment, and I know some people therefore curse me for this, churches have done more harm to spiritual search than any other institution, because they simply want you to believe something and not to actually be searching something or following something. I hope I'm wrong, but sadly I don't actually feel this. But the fundamental requirement for any kind of serious search leading to any kind of possible transformation is an impartial self-inquiry. if I need to leave myself behind, what is this self that I need to leave behind? Or at least to find its appropriate place. As I said earlier, also sometimes the expressions are very strongly put, and one forgets that I need this self precisely as an instrument why the soul has taken on this body. So I don't need to be therefore against the instrument, but some of the expressions seem almost as if I need to get rid of the instrument. But nevertheless, not to completely identify myself only with the instrument, namely with the body and the mind, and the desires and fears of that organism. So that requires a very steady and impartial self-inquiry. Other words get used: self-knowledge, self-observation, self-study. All this is fine. Various different phrases get used for this. But this is a very dangerous enterprise. Anybody who has seriously actually undertaken self-inquiry would not be surprised by, this is a remark of Rumi, if you have not yet seen the devil, go look in the mirror. This is another fairly common idea in all teachings, so let me step back for a moment here. And the common idea is that in principle, the entire external universe can actually be mirrored inside us. Therefore, it's not that the devil is also not going to be mirrored inside me, if he exists. And maybe slightly more comforting statement actually of the Buddha, in this very body you can discover all the demons and all the gods, because we prefer to choose the gods, but the demons are also there and they all need to find their place. So the reason I said that any serious self-inquiry is somewhat dangerous enterprise, because of two dangers that follow it often. One is despair. If I really begin to see myself impartially, it is impossible not to see some of these features which we cannot be happy about. Especially we don't approve of them in other people, but when one begins to see that the others are just like me, I have all these features also, then one begins to feel, partly because we take things very personally, as if I alone am subjected to this. And this is why one of the most important safeguard for any serious spiritual inquiry, in my judgment, is a community of fellow searchers. Because then one will soon discover that it's not only me who has the shadows of the devil, that this is a universal situation, that self-knowledge actually very soon becomes knowledge of the human condition. Initially, one may begin by something, where I was born, what my father did, etc., something very personal, very individual. But this is hardly anything to write home about. If one begins to take slightly more seriously, then one would discover that what I find about myself actually is true for almost everybody else. If we can in fact share this with fellow searchers. This is a very important requirement in my judgment, to save oneself from falling into despair. Which is also the reason, if you look at any of the traditional monasteries, whether it's in Buddhism or Hinduism or in Christianity, in general, the novice monks are not allowed to be solitary monks. As it is said, especially this is more a Christian language, that the devil bothers them more if they are solitary. they have to work with other monks. Only then an occasional one is, as it were, graduates and can become solitary monk. But in general, the idea, for example, we have this very strong suggestion. For example, in Buddhism, any Buddhist they often use these phrases, Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. I take refuge in the Buddha, in the Dharma, meaning his teaching, and in the Sangha, which is the community that one is taking refuge. So this emphasis on community is almost universal with all the teachers, because without that, there is always the possibility of despair, that I alone am subjected to many of these terrible features. But then one begins to realize that this is actually the universal human condition. Which is why St. Paul actually makes this remark in one of his letters, that our struggle is not only with other human beings, but with forces, as he says, there is wickedness in high places. So this is St. Paul's remark. So wickedness in high places. Some of these are cosmological features that one is struggling with. The other danger of self-inquiry or self-study is fantasy. I am specially chosen. Recently, one of our politicians in North America said that. You probably know that. And of course, in a community, it's not long that one can stay with that fantasy that I am specially chosen as the Son of God or the incarnation of God, because the others won't let you get away with this. So I'm really repeating this idea that it is very important actually to have a community of fellow searchers with whom one periodically meets. But it is not so easy to actually have a community of fellow searchers, because it very soon becomes competitive like any other gathering. And there also some people want to claim that they really know and the others don't know, etc. So it's a hard task to actually find a proper community. But let me continue with what are some of the requirements of transformation or a new birth, because this is really the fundamental suggestion from all the teachers. If you know any exception to this, please help me, because I'm not committed to remaining in my own point of view about it. Afterwards, we would have not so much question-answer, but I prefer the word exchange. If you have a different perspective, if you have a different understanding from the scriptures. But as far as I know, practically all the teachers say in one form or the other that in general human beings do not live the way they should. Furthermore, the way they could. Otherwise, simply to make the first statement may be true, but until one can actually demonstrate that it is possible to live differently. The reason why people such as the Buddha or Christ are admired by any sane person is because they actually demonstrate how to live rightly. And what does it mean to live rightly? Maybe I should also, in fact, I invite you, if you ever feel called by anybody as speaking like a teacher or a guru or somebody you wish to respect, there are certain very common features of people like this. One is increasing sense of humility, increasing sense of service, rather than more and more freedom from me. What do I gain out of this? Am I more admired, or do I get more wealth? What do I serve? Why am I born? Increasing awareness of this and actually undertaking that. Classical example, Christ even washing the feet of his own disciples, and certainly sense of service, and then a sense of inclusiveness. The others are just like me. They are all coming from the same divine energy. So any of this sectarian perspective is already an indication that something is not understood or something is not transformed in one. And more awareness of the presence of the divine in everyone. Here I would tell you one simple instance. When Mother Teresa got the Nobel Prize for Peace. Suddenly, of course, she was very popular and traveling everywhere. And she had also come to Canada, and she was being interviewed by a very highly regarded interviewer on Canadian Broadcasting Corporation, or CBC. In fact, I still even know his name. And he was known to be a very good interviewer. So he started initially by saying, "Well, mother, you must love the poor." And he practically fell off his chair because she said, "No, I don't love the poor." He couldn't really believe this. Then he said, "But you spend all your time and energy doing this." She says, "I love the Christ in them." She says, "There is nothing special about the poor or the rich. Why should they be loved? But to see the Christ in them, that is what she loves." So I remind you of this, that this is actually part of the indication of somebody who is in fact a little bit transformed, a little bit evolved. And then very much the suggestion, more and more freedom from me, freedom from selfishness or self-centeredness. And then always much more practice of or demonstration of love, compassion. These are the features of anybody who is in fact a little bit free of themselves. In that sense, they have somewhat left their self behind. So we don't need to just merely accept these ideas, but I'm now repeating this statement that in general, practically all the great teachers say in one form or the other that human beings do not live the way they should and the way they could, and they demonstrate the way they could. Otherwise, we won't follow these teachers. And very strong suggestion, which is implied by their remarks. For example, just to take specific phraseology, a Christian sage may say people live in sin, but they could live in the grace of God. A Buddhist might say people live as if asleep, but they could wake up, which is literally what the word Buddha means, one who is awake. The implication is the rest of us are not so awake. Or a Vedantist might say people live in Maya or in illusion, but they could live in reality. So there are different ways of expressing it, but I'm making a very general statement that in general people do not live the way they should and the way they could. The could part comes simply because the teacher then is able to demonstrate this. I myself was very fortunate. I have met some very remarkable people in my life, and especially Krishnamurti and Madame de Salzman, whose name was mentioned by my introducer here. In fact, I had heard them so often, I could in fact complete their sentences. But why would I go again to meet them? Because they were not simply using the words, they were demonstrating a certain connection with reality. This is the only reason why one needs to respect them. Just quoting words, even I can quote these words, any fool can quote these words. But that doesn't make them true. This is one of our fundamental difficulty. Expression of truth is not the truth. And to just get too attached to the expression, at the very best, an expression may lead to something, point to something. But until one actually experiences it, it is not the truth. And another remark here I should make. Mind does not experience. All experience is by sensation. In the scientific realm, or the usual realm, all experience which results in measurements is done by externalized senses. Then the mind is not irrelevant. Several different observations or measurements have been made. A creative scientist can look at several, then suggest different measurements to be made, or how all of them can be explained by one theory. But mind is not making the measurements. Mind is not experiencing anything. And in the spiritual realm, it is the internalized senses. For example, I can close my eyes and say, I see what is taking place. So it's internalized. And let me actually emphasize this point. I'm partly, in fact, quoting in this case a great sage in India, Sri Anirvan, saying that even the subtlest spiritual experience is a sensation in the body. Which is the reason why so much emphasis on becoming more and more sensitive to the body, so that one can in fact be aware of what is actually taking place. This is part of the process of transformation. Wholly, as if, it's almost just quick reminder here, every impression that we have actually influences our body at a cellular level. And a new body is needed for a new consciousness. Transferring, or really more or less a radical transformation of the body, of the mind, of the feeling. Otherwise, the usual situation, very nicely represented by a remark of St. Paul, I do what I do not wish to do, and I do not do what I wish to do. This is a quotation from Letter to the Romans by St. Paul, hardly a negligible saint. And if it is his situation, why would it not apply also to me? All the New Year's resolutions we happily make, a few days later, one is not able to carry them out. So, one of the reasons for suggestion of a transformation is needed is because our internal faculties, the body, mind, and feeling, are not integrated. One aspect of us agrees to something, it makes sense, but then some other aspect has to carry this out. I often myself, if I can look at myself impartially, I would have to say that there is a large gap between what I know and what I am. Unless I actually begin to see this, then there is no need for any transformation. But if one begins to see, one can read all these wonderful things said by the Buddha or by Krishna or by Christ. I can quote them, in that sense I know them, but does this correspond to what I am? So as one part of self-observation or self-inquiry is to actually begin to see the gap between what one knows and what one is. Therefore, naturally a call towards more and more seriously undertaking the transformation of this instrument. And I would just like to take 1 or 2 more minutes to say that to be free of something does not mean that we need to be against something. In fact, if I wish to be free of something, being against something can never free me of it. I need to find its appropriate place. So in this case, sometimes even the word ego, that we need to be free of our ego. Let me quickly remind you, all the great statements of Christ, such as I am the way, the truth, and the life, if you read their Greek version, because every book in the New Testament was written in Greek, all his statements begin with the word ego. Ego eimi, I am. And ego has been now sort of more or less only the negative side of this is used here. If ego were actually translated as Atma, which will be completely correct translation, it would sound very juicy, because in India, Atma is given a whole very high place. So if we use the word self, maybe as a translation of this ego from Greek, then it is easier to see different levels of the self. I can be wholly self-occupied, self-centered, selfish. Or occasionally, even to my own surprise, I find that I end up occasionally being really quite free of myself. So there are many levels of this self. We don't need to be against the instrument, In fact, the instrument needs to be properly sharpened, properly taken care of, so that it can in fact serve why it has taken on this existence to begin with. So, I will very much invite any remarks or any, if you like, they can be questions, but personally I always believe nobody can really answer anybody's serious questions. Informational questions are easier to answer, but otherwise, any serious questions really has to be answered by oneself deep inside. And it becomes a quest. But feel free to nevertheless, if you like, to raise a question, or if you wish to make an alternative statement that doesn't, you don't have to agree with me, I am not committed to that idea at all. So, we have only about 20 minutes or 25 minutes for this.
Thank you very much for that wonderful talk. I wonder if you could just enlarge on that saying of Christ's, I am the way, the truth, and the life, and that original Greek translation, because it seems to be something, a real gem there, and I missed it.
Now, you'll have to, because here you don't have access to some of these references, you'll have to take my word for it, but I can give you references, or you can read in my book the reference. What is the exact translation of his remark is the way, the truth, and the life. Not I am the way, is the way. And what does this I am come from? Let me remind you, in the book of Exodus, exactly if you wish to have the reference even, it's the 3rd chapter, 14th verse. Moses hears a voice, go tell the Pharaoh to let my people go. He says, who should I say has sent me? This is the first time the word is used. The answer is, go tell the Pharaoh that I am has sent you. I am is what becomes in Hebrew the expression for God. So what Christ is saying is, I am is the way, the truth, and the life. But it becomes so diminished as if he's promoting himself. This is hardly the case with Christ. But let me also take another moment here. The very word Jesus, the Hebrew origin of that is Joshua, Yehoshua, which literally means Yahweh saves. That's the very name of Christ. But as you can well imagine, this won't appeal to the churches very much. But if you like, I give you specific references for this. That actual translation of that remark is, I am is the way, the truth, and the life. Okay, anybody else wishes to? Yes, please. I ended up writing a whole book on this called The Yoga of the Christ, published in 1990, but it was translated into many languages. Many people, by the way, even your Bishop of London here was very struck by this. He wrote to me saying that he's been teaching from this gospel for the last 20 years, but this came as a breath of fresh air. Then he said, but I don't agree with everything you say.
I was very struck by your statement earlier on, your idea that separating the spirit and the soul.
Yes.
And that seems to me like such a useful concept. It is for me anyway. And I can understand the spirit perpetuating throughout the whole world, through all the animal kingdom, the trees, the branches, the goldfish, whatever. I can see that. And I was wondering I'm sort of puzzled what I think about the soul. Now, does a chimpanzee have a soul? I don't know. It's where you make this distinction between man and the rest of nature.
This distinction, I'm not really making this distinction, I'm simply pointing it out. This is what you would find in the New Testament. These words are used separately, and it is actually Descartes in the 16th to 17th century that created this confusion. And he then explicitly says, spirit is the same as the soul, is the same as mind. You take my word for it. If you like, it's his book called Method. That's the title of the book. And in my judgment, that has created more philosophic confusion than it makes a dualism between mind and body, or in the theological circles between soul and body. And these days, especially in the Christian circles, to say to somebody that the soul needs to evolve almost doesn't make any sense, because it is already part of God or part of the Spirit. Otherwise, the fundamental idea, maybe here, if you don't mind, I can give you a little quotation. This is from Plotinus. Our soul, he used the word psyche in Greek, but soul in English, is amphibious in nature. It can sink completely into the matter, or it can soar into the one. So that's the whole idea, that whatever this particle of divinity or particle of spirit is in me, the soul, it gets stuck down here in general, but it can evolve and in fact return to the, Plotinus says, to the one. That is very high. But even a little bit of evolution would be a helpful thing. So it's really moving from the personal to the transpersonal. Which is why, strictly speaking, many years ago I had actually written a paper on this, published by Cambridge University Press, on is religion psychotherapy? Psychotherapy is required if your psyche is not working properly, but if religion has actually any meaning, it is precisely to go beyond my psyche, to be transpersonal nature. Yeah.
I do have a big question for you.
Sorry, I didn't...
I do have a big question
Yes,
for
please.
you, which is, if I understand you rightly, you say everything seeks to evolve. If we take spirit in its most universal manifestation, how can spirit, you refer to it as Holy Spirit at the beginning of your talk, evolve?
It's the soul that evolves.
Not spirit.
No, it can evolve
Thank
to
you.
the level of the spirit. This is the reason I quoted Plotinus, that our soul is amphibious in nature. It can sink or it can fly.
Sorry, Rabbi, I'm carrying on the same lines. Could you talk a bit, because pneuma, which I think is the word used for spirit,
Yes.
and psyche for soul, what's the relationship between breath and spirit? Because I find this
Yes.
confusing in terms of a spiritual practice, which is often to do with
Let
breath.
me make a general statement. In practically, as far as I am aware, I have consulted several scholars, that in all ancient languages, Sanskrit, Chinese, Hebrew, Greek, the word for breath and for the spirit is either exactly the same or very close to each other. The word pneuma is a good example of this. And from which we get many words even in the English language. So the idea that the particle of the spirit enters into my organism through breath see, the contemporary usage of the English word breath doesn't quite convey the richness, which is still actually conveyed by the Chinese word qi or the Sanskrit word prana. But the suggestion there with these classical expressions is that is how the spirit enters into my body, if you like. But actually this expression that I quoted from Genesis is the breath of God. So the word breath is very important to focus on. And in fact, I highly recommend people to become more, if and when you are in any difficulty or trouble, becoming aware of your breath very much assists.
So you could say spiritual practice is connecting this spiritual
Yes,
process which is happening
yes.
in all of us.
And very strong suggestion in many teachings, in contemporary times perhaps more emphasized by Gurdjieff than by anybody else that I know. Namely, if I breathe with more awareness, then from the same air that everybody is breathing, I can take in subtler substances. But the implication is that there are subtler substances. It's not, or alchemical substances. So it's not simply just I take in oxygen and I let out carbon dioxide. That prana or breath has much more richness in it than the English word now conveys. But that doesn't mean one needs to get bound by that. One can actually try this yourself.
So you can say conscious breathing is a way of spiritualizing the soul.
Very much. In many, many meditations, for example, some of you maybe you experience this, what is called vipassana meditation, there is much more emphasis on paying attention to breathing in many, many forms of meditation. Yes. That lady there behind you. There.
Thank you. I've got to be rather careful I don't get into defending churches and going to church. I think there are many people who go to church who would agree with most of what you're saying. I'm one of them. I think for me, going to church when I do go helps me to strengthen my spiritual practice. I'm a member of a meditation group, which is really important.
I'm speaking there tomorrow, by the way.
Sorry?
I'm speaking to this meditation group tomorrow. Meditatio.
That sounds
Yes.
good. Also, for me, Jesus Christ, the Christ, is an example of how I can be, rather than the way I am, but the way I can be.
Yes.
And as far as community is concerned, I think it's an extraordinarily supportive part of going to church is having a community that reflects back the shadow in me as much as the goodness in me. And particularly the Christian tradition is a very broad tradition. We have the monastic tradition, which has many, many great spiritual teachers have come out of it. So I just thought I'd like to feed that back. Thank you.
No, I'm happy to learn that it's been helpful to you. This is why I said, making a general remark like this is bound to be complete. It can never be wholly accurate. But just to remind you, in the name of the loving Christ, more Christians have been killed by other Christians in history than by anybody else. So it's always a good thing to keep in mind what goes on in the name of this, you see. Yeah. Yes, sir.
You began by explaining how we should ask ourselves the question, having gained some understanding, some knowledge, how does it affect our lives? How are we going to make it, as it were, practical? How is it going to transform our existence, if you like? Not all of us are going to reach the lofty heights of understanding which you have obviously reached, but we may have similar aims. And we spend a great deal of our lives simply engaged in the activities of the world, not always in wonderful discussions such as this evening. If that aim at transformation is being adopted by ourselves in our lives, how will it affect our day-to-day activities? Because it seems to me that's the question we might want to ask ourselves, if taking on board your advice at the beginning of the talk. How is this going to be made practical so that we're not simply living our lives of ego and self-centeredness, but living with a sense of love for mankind, for example, in every respect? How is this knowledge going to be made practical in that way?
Yes. I should say, first of all, that the wish to know why I am born or what is the purpose of my life or the meaning of my life is actually universal. But in general, right from day one, we in fact end up even teaching our own children do well in school so they can go to the good college, can get a scholarship, do a postdoctoral work, etc., etc. So it very soon becomes externalized success in the world. But otherwise, my impression is that, in fact, spiritual birth is built right into our structure. Just as usually about the age of 16 or so, we have puberty to be able to give fleshly birth. My own impression very strongly is that for most people, usually between the ages of about 40 to 50, there is an internal urge for a spiritual birth. Unfortunately, it gets called midlife crisis. So that, maybe if you don't mind, I take this example, which was actually published. This is almost 30 years old. This is before Apple and Microsoft were the big companies. The biggest companies, at least in North America, were General Electric and General Motors. And there, one of the New York Times journalists, more or less like a spy, published this article, which is what I'm just giving you a summary of it, that some of their executives who were, as it were, having midlife crisis, so these companies had refreshment houses in the Bahamas, where they had some nice-looking young ladies refreshing them for a little while, so they can then come back and for another 2 or 3 years continue doing what they were now feeling, what am I doing in my life? See, usually questions like this begin to arise, especially for those people who can be a little free of their just material requirements. They begin to wonder, what is the point of all this wealth or all this success? But what I am suggesting to you, I have actually tried to invite a lot of psychologists to actually make a study of this, because you never come across this kind of expression, midlife crisis, in China or India, and traditionally actually nowhere. But this has now been made into a modern expression. So then you do something outrageous. You know, divorce your wife, find some young lady, or buy a car, fancy car, etc. But the notion of midlife crisis, I'm suggesting to you, is actually an inner urge for a spiritual birth. So this is not contrary to nature, that one has a wish for that. In fact, the classical text of Yoga Sutras specifically says that Prakriti, which is nature, is actually meant to serve Purusha. Purusha will be the spirit. So, but what has happened, that because of these companies wishing to have their executives continue to do the kind of thing they were doing, which brings naturally more wealth to the companies, so they are trying to find ways of diverting their attention from what is beginning to internally call them. So I don't think this is contrary to our internal wish or requirement. But it is certainly true what you're saying, that one needs to see that this kind of wish for a spiritual development or an inner transformation or wishing to have a spiritual birth, there are varieties of expression. It obviously has implications in one's life. One may not be so committed anymore for worldly success, for example, which is why these companies were trying to interfere with this, you see. But it's also a question, at what stage does one say, enough is enough with this worldly success? That doesn't mean one needs to be against this. In fact, as I said even earlier, if I am against something, I can never be free of it. Similarly, about the question of the ego that I mentioned earlier. Here, maybe I will even tell you, if you don't mind, my own personal experience of this. This was many, many years ago, when I was working with my teacher, Madame de Salzman, quite closely. On one occasion, because I was specially struck by my own vanity you'll have to take my word for it that I used to be even more vain than I now am. Because I realized that it is just a waste of time and energy, and that I gain absolutely nothing from this. So I raised this question to her, how can I be a little free of this? And I was absolutely startled by her response. She looked at me and she said, if you did not have vanity, what will you do? That all our activity, all our actions actually arise from the ego. And then she made this statement that ego is a good servant but a bad master. Because ego, who needs a servant who just wants to lie around doing nothing? Because ego also means more determination, more willingness to stay with something, to work hard, even to, if you like, to achieve something. That's all part of the ego. So why be against that? But if the ego begins to then run the whole household, make all the decisions, that's where the difficulty comes. So ego is a good servant, but a bad master. So there is certainly, I'm making no suggestion, and nor did any of the teachers that I have met, made the suggestion to be against the self or against the ego, but to find its place. Ego, or now using slightly more generally, my body, mind, all of it is intended to be the instrument. So there is no reason to be against the instrument. In fact, the instrument needs to be properly sharpened, taken care of, so that it can actually serve what it is intended to serve. But if I don't occasionally ask myself, what is it that I am intended to serve? Why am I here? What is the real meaning of my existence? These questions are not so easily answered, but I should make a general remark here, which is the so-called age of enlightenment is just about the wrongest expression for anything to do with enlightenment. Very much the emphasis that everything has to be figured out by the intellect. Therefore, music or painting or sculpture, poetry, none of this can lead to any truth. Only the scientific enterprise can lead to truth. You see, this was one of the consequences of this. However, even some of the very great scientists, whenever they describe how they actually came to their major discoveries, would tell you that often it was driven by intuition or by feeling. And here is a remark of Pascal, hardly a negligible scientist, saying, heart has reasons that reason does not know. That initially, if you read, for example, any of us can read many things in the Gospels or in the Bhagavad Gita, but not everything strikes us. Something touches our heart much more. So in fact, to take that seriously, why something touches my heart, that doesn't mean I can explain it so easily, but there is no harm in trying to understand this intellectually also. But that slightly relaxed, freer heart is actually the first indication of what really speaks to me. Then the mind can enter, try to understand it more, even to elaborate it more. So, if one is actually not willing to simply dismiss this because it is only to do with feeling, you read Newton, Einstein. In fact, I often remind people, if you were yourself to name, say, 7 greatest scientists in the history of the world, almost all of them you will find had deep spiritual quest. But somehow, so the people usually who don't themselves do very much science somehow want to make it as if this is contrary to any spiritual practice. We need to stop, yes. One hardly begins. Thank you.